Music is one of the major subjects. In the music class, subjects learn various instruments including harmonium, sitar, tabla, Casio, synthesizer, etc. Apart from it, vocal music is also taught to them. Warden and assistant warden sit in this room. Donors approach them and they issue receipts of cash or kind received from them. We have 4 stands for handloom weaving. We get yarn from one of the spinning mills from Ludhiana. Students are picked up for training in the spinning of fabric. Prepared fabric is cut and ends stitched to make kitchen and floor dusters. Our dusters sell like hotcakes and customers buy our entire production from the institute. In the winter season of Diwali and Christmas, candles produced by the institute are very popular with the locals. No marketing effort is needed and all the candles made in the institute are sold off soon after these are ready. All the government departments in Union Territory have been instructed to send their chairs for recaning to the institute. We shall now show you a few students recaning the chairs. Our girl students residing in hostel receive stitching and knitting training from the hostel warden. You would see a class of girls learning to thread the needle, stitching and knitting. Some of the garments being shown have been made by them. We have raised our own band. A band trainer has been engaged to train the students in playing various instruments which are part of the band. You will see them playing a welcome general salute. There are about 170 students. Of these, 60 students are day scholars, while remaining are staying in hostels. Following facilities are being provided: free boarding in separate hostels for boys and girls. All the children, after the various activities of the day, go to their rooms and sit on their respective beds and study a while before they retire to sleep. Separate solar water heating plants for girls and boys hostels and for central kitchen. Cookhouse and dining hall providing free food to all the students. We have a multi-purpose dining hall along with a modern central kitchen to serve hot meals to all the students. Many of the meals are donated by donors. Donation for the meals are accepted at a very nominal and subsidized rate, as we receive donations in kind also. You are now seeing students eating their food in the dining hall. This hall is also used for holding meetings and functions, etc. Uniforms, books and stationery provided free to the students. Free healthcare, regular medical checkups and free medicines. Exercise in gyms separate for boys and girls. We have 2 gyms, one for boys and one for girls. We now utilize these gyms for the purpose under the guidance of our 2 coaches. The fact that our students bagged 39 medals along with 2 overall trophies in the annual National Sports Meet held by the Blind Sports Association at Delhi in December 2012 and also broke 4 national records bears ample testimony to the physical fitness of our students. In the resource room, we have various assistive devices which we use to help the visually impaired children in their mobility, concept development and learning. We have here various canes, tactile maps, various shapes and figures like circles, triangles, alphabets, braillers, daisy players, tailor frames, abacus, talking watches, thermometers and also other low vision devices. Use of some of these devices is being shown. Brigadier K.I. Kumar, retired, is the Vice President of the Institute since the last 6 years. This is what he has to say.
This institute, the temple of the disadvantaged, as Vice President about a decade ago. Before that, since I had retired about 32 years ago, I involved myself in many social activities of the Chandigarh administration as well as the NGOs. My main emphasis here has been on conceptual planning in streamlining the administration and education of this institute. Toward that end, we have introduced many new facilities, and briefly they are modernization of the kitchen, in which the flooring and the walls have been tiled. 2 new big smoke chimneys have been fitted to keep the kitchen clean. Accounting system and the ration storage has been improved and streamlined. Boys' hostel also is being given a new look, and it is because of the teamwork, and all the team members are fully focused and committed to the cause.
Our students have achieved excellent results in national and even international sports field. Playing cricket is a little unique to them in that the ball with which they play makes sound and the batsmen strike the ball after hearing its sound. For the races, visually impaired children get the help of a runner who is tagged with them and gives direction to the runner. You would now see the students doing practice in running a race, doing long jump, and girls throwing javelin and hammer. Look at the girl, how she attempts shot put so confidently. This girl uses good tactic to accomplish this feat of javelin throw. These children, despite their disability, are competitive and match up to the level of normal children in sports. You would now see Mrs. Sharma, wife of Shri K.K. Sharma, advisor to the Chandigarh administration. Visually impaired students are by and large very talented in dramatics and music.
पैरा थले निध के तामी खिड़िया रहा गुला
They are good in vocal and instrumental music. On annual day function held on May 2013, His Excellency Governor of Punjab and Administrator UT Chandigarh graced the occasion.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे रिक्वेस्ट पर गवर्नर साहब ने अपने कुछ कीमती समय में से कुछ क्षण आपके लिए निकाले हैं। वो कुछ मिनटों के लिए आपके सामने अपने विचार रखें।
उपस्थित महानुभाव, और मैं बहुत ही प्रभावित हुआ उनके काम को देखकर। मैं आपके तरफ से और अपनी तरफ से इस संस्था के सारे चालकों को हृदय के गहराई से बधाई देता हूं।
Students belonging to the UT are given scholarship of Rs 250 per month from class 1st to 5th and Rs 300 per month from class 6 to class 8 by the UT administration. A feature very unique to the institute is that we have opened saving bank accounts in the names of the students, and we credit the entire amount received from the administration to the accounts of these students, resulting in students having a good balance in their accounts at the time of their passing out, which is of substantial help to them after they leave the institute. Our ex-students who passed out from the institute, this is what they have to say about our institute.
नमस्कार जी, मेरा नाम किरण कुमार, मैं जेबीटी टीचर सेक्रेटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचकुला में गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल में हूँ और मैंने 99 में यहाँ से +2 पास की और +1 में मैंने यहाँ पे एडमिशन लिया था। उसके बाद मैंने बीए, बीएड और जेबीटी हरियाणा से की। इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया। ये 2 साल मेरे लिए बहुत, मतलब मैंने 2 साल यहाँ पे मैंने जो बिताए मेरे लिए बहुत यादगार सिद्ध हुए हैं और मेरे को आगे चल के बहुत इसमें मुझे कामयाबी मिली है। और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि इस इंस्टीट्यूट का कोई भी बच्चा आज खाली नहीं है, सभी अच्छे अच्छे पदों पर हैं और जो नहीं हैं वो अच्छी अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में, अच्छे अच्छे कॉलेजेस में पढ़ रहे हैं और कोई भी हमारा स्टूडेंट ऐसा नहीं रहा जो 70-75 से कम मार्क्स लाया। तो मैं इस स्कूल की पूरी टीम को इस बार मैं इसमें बधाई देना चाहूँगा।
नमस्कार जी, मैं बिंदु शर्मा यहाँ की एक्स स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैंने +2 96 में मैंने पास आउट किया है। 86 में मैंने स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया था जब मेरी उम्र सिर्फ 8 साल की थी और 96 में मैंने यहाँ से पास आउट किया है। उसके बाद मैंने ग्रेजुएशन किया है, ग्रेजुएशन GCG 11 से, MA म्यूज़िक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल में, बीएड और उसके बाद मैंने डबल MA की है सर्विस में आने के बाद। और जो कुछ भी आज मैं हिंदी मिस्ट्रेस के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ गवर्नमेंट हाई स्कूल सेक्टर 35 में, और जो कुछ भी हमने यहाँ से अर्जित किया है, जो कुछ भी हम आज जिस मुकाम पर हैं, उसका श्रेय केवल हमारी इसी संस्था को, इसी हमारे स्कूल को ही जाता है।